Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a touch different. If you have followed my channel for a bit, you know that I have delved a little bit into essential oils. I really enjoy diffusing them. That's pretty much the only way I use them, other than a couple like DIY cleaning hacks and such. I've recently mentioned that I tried a couple higher end oils and I really saw the difference. Before I was just using the Now essential oil brand, which I still love and would still recommend, especially if you're first trying out oils and you're just like not sure of the trend or the fad and you just want to see what it's about. Now brand was really great. It's got really great prices. It's really affordable, but I was enjoying my higher end oils as well. So my gal pal Nikki Philippi here on YouTube raves about Young Living and I wanted to see what the fuss was about. So I ordered the starter kit and I just got it in the mail and I thought I would do a first impressions, a haul and a first impressions. So you get quite a bit in this box. I bought it when it was on sale, but with taxes and shipping and everything, I think it came out to like $166. So I think if you buy it not on sale, it'll be something like $180 or so. But you get a bunch of oils, a diffuser, which was what I really wanted. I was excited about that because I wanted a new diffuser anyway. So if it's like kind of built in the price with all these oils that you get as well, I was kind of like, yeah, that's worth the money. I know this is an MLM. It seems like a scam to make money, and I'm just going to be upfront and honest with you the entire time. That's kind of what I try to do on my channel. Like, yes, I'm trying to sell you different things, but like I'm never going to sell you something I don't believe in. So if I enjoy these oils, I might go on to be a distributor. And I think even when you buy this starter kit, you are a distributor. I think you're like instantly, you can sell it. As I said, I have no idea. So yeah, I just got this, came today, and I haven't opened it at all because I wanted to do it on camera. So let's just go with the oils first. Oh, it smells good already though. I know there's going to be a couple in here that I am not going to enjoy because some of these are oils that I wouldn't necessarily pick up on my own. But it's cool that like they have this kit where you can really introduce yourself to their brand and their types of oils. So, oh, this smells great. Oh, so fancy. Look at that! That's cute. Okay. Somebody let me know, is this like the normal size oil? I thought this came with Stress Away. I thought this came with Stress Away and a bunch of samples. Oh, is there a second layer? Second layer. Still no Stress Away though. Oh, there it is. Okay, sorry, found it. I was very upset there for a moment. Okay, so again, here are the oils and I'm just going to haul them and smell them. First off is probably my favorite essential oil, or orange, but this is lemon. This I don't think is the normal size oil. I think these are smaller oils. Am I wrong? Am I right? Let me know. Woo! Ooh, that smells really good. I love lemon oil. This instantly smells better than my other lemon oils I have. Woo, that is fresh. I can't wait to diffuse that. So, lemon. Then we have Copaiba, which I don't know what the hell that is. A wood oil. Ooh. That smells like wood. I don't hate that though. That is crazy. That smells like wood. Oh my gosh. Okay, I could see. That's like nice though. I would not think I'd be like, oh yeah, let's diffuse the scent of wood, but that smells good. Then we have Digize. Oh, which is a lot of things. I think this is their like tummy trouble one. It like settles your stomach. Tarragon, ginger, yum, peppermint, juniper, lemongrass, patchouli, and some other crap. That's not a good one for me. How do you use this? Tell me how you use this. Then we have Thieves, which I know is their like immune boosting oil. I'm trying so hard not to mess up my manicure I just got. Thieves, which is also the scent of all their product cleaners. That didn't make sense. They're cleaning products. So I'm excited to finally smell this. It has clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. That smells kind of, or that sounds like it's gonna smell great. Let's see. It smells good for the most part, but there's something in there on the back end that's like, smells like onions. Okay. Then we have peppermint, which peppermint is one of my favorite oils as well. I like to diffuse orange and peppermint together. Ooh, that is crisp. That smells so good. And if I'm feeling like nauseous or something, I like to sniff peppermint or again oil or lemon, just something like refreshing. Or I'll put a drop of peppermint on my tongue, which is a little bit intense, but like freshens your breath, helps your stomach. So cool. Then we have Panaway. Oh, these are a little bit different. These have like child locks on them. There we go. This is wintergreen, clove, peppermint. Ooh, that smells like spearmint to me. That smells like icebreakers. That's cool. And I think people use this for pain, like pain away, pan away. But that like smells good enough to me that I would diffuse that. That's interesting. We got another one with the child lock cap on it. This is Raven. This is, oh, this one looks intense. Dilute 1 drop with 1 drop of V6 or olive oil and apply to desired area as needed. Diffuse up to 30 minutes 3 times a day. Is this one like intense? This one kind of smells like a Vicks Vapor Rub. Interesting. Then we have Citrus Fresh, which I'm excited to try this one. It's like their version of doTERRA Citrus Bliss, I believe. It has orange, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin, spearmint. How could that be bad? I'm excited. Oh, that is good. I like the doTERRA Citrus Bliss, but they have vanilla oil in it, or vanilla something in it, and it makes it smell like bubblegum to me, and I don't always love the scent of bubblegum. I know I'm crazy. It just makes me nauseous for some reason. That smells so good. I cannot wait to diffuse that. Then we have frankincense, which I know a lot of people use in their skincare, so I'd be interested in trying that. So let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells good. I don't know how to describe that. I don't know why I did this video. I'm so terrible at describing scents. But that smells good. It smells kind of like Carmex. But I'm going to look that up on how people use it on their face. Are you allowed to just put oil directly on your face? Do I have to dilute it? Let me know. This is also why I wanted to do this video because I know a bunch of you are oil junkies and can tell me how to use these. So yeah, and then we have Nikki Phillippi's absolute favorite, the lavender oil, which I love lavender oil. I love having lavender oil on hand because seriously you guys, if you burn yourself in the kitchen on something on the oven or like on a curling iron, every time I do that to myself, I put lavender on the burn and it goes away. Like a really intense burn that I'm like, oh my god, I just effed up my finger. I just put lavender oil on it, bam. Ooh, that is a very nice lavender scent. That is really nice. I love lavender, but sometimes it can be too strong, which I feel a lot of people would agree with. The Now brand lavender oil to me smells very dirty. That smells fresh and great, and I like that a lot. Okay, so that was all 10 of the oils you get on top. Now let's go below. It just pops out. There's a bunch of crap. Oh my gosh, it teaches you how to use each individual oil. Oh my god, I'm so excited to read all of that. Yeah, there's like little cards for each oil. They give you these little bottles. I think these are technically to make samples for other people, but this would also be great to travel with. Then we have some stuff in here. So I want to smell stress away. Everybody says it smells like a tropical vacation, and I want that in my life. That smells good. It just smells like something that might have to grow on you. It doesn't say what is in here. I'm sure if I look it up I can figure it out. But it does smell good. Then you get a couple of samples of the Ningxia Red Essential Oil Infused Wolfberry Supplement. And I know this is some sort of juice or something. Nikki loves this crap. It sounds like it would taste really good. It's like really high in antioxidant, whatever wolfberry is. I think it's technically a goji berry or something. So Ningxia Red, am I just supposed to like eat this, or is this juice, or like what do I do with this? Okay, whatever. And then we get a little bit of the Thieves Household Cleaner single-use packet. Okay, so you dilute this with water. Dilute it with water in like a glass cleaning bottle, which I'll need to pick up one of those. But I am curious to try this because Nikki loves this. I love watching Nikki's cleaning videos and she's always using this stuff, so I'm interested to try it, but I'm also a little nervous after smelling the oil. I feel like that's gonna have to grow on me, TBH. And that is it. I don't know what this is. Oh, that's cool. They added in a little roller ball that you can replace one of the tops of your oils with and a new cap. That's really cool. And then, oh, of course, the oil diffuser, which is the main reason I wanted to get this because I really like the way this diffuser looks. Oh, and it's a really nice big size. That's cool. So here's what the diffuser looks like, and it does change colors. I'll insert a little clip after I've tried it, and I'm assuming the cord and all that is in here, but I really, really like this, and I like my other diffusers. I love my doTERRA one back here. I just feel like it's kind of giving out on me, and my Now brand wood one that I have, I feel like it distributes a good amount of product, but I hate it's a very complicated system. You have to turn it upside down, fill it up. It's a really weird one. So I just like the basic ones where you just fill them up as they're sitting there and you put the top on. So I think this will be great. And I'm just really excited about it. I think this is really pretty. I'm gonna put this in my living room, I believe, since that's where I like to diffuse the most oils. But yeah. But okay guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this essential oil haul and first impressions. Seriously, please, please, please let me know how you use these oils down below. Your favorite ways to use them, I need to know, because all I know how to do is diffuse them, which is great. I do love diffusing oils, but I want to know how to use them more. So leave me comments down below if you're interested in this package. If these sound like oils you'd like, I will have the starter kit linked down below. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will keep you updated, of course. Really put them all to the test and keep you updated. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will talk to you very soon, and I love you very much. Bye.